In this video, I'll show you how to edit videos in Adobe Express. First, open your Adobe Express account. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see an option labeled More Ways to Start. Click on View All to see the different aspect ratios available for creating your video. You can select any of these preset options. If you want a specific size, you can create a custom one by clicking on the Custom Size option and entering the desired dimensions. Once you've set up your project, you'll be directed to the video editing interface. To add a video or image, click on the Add option on the left side of your screen and select Upload. You can import media files directly from your device or from Adobe Express's media library by selecting Media. In the media library, you can search for different types of content, including photos, videos, and audio files. After you've selected your files, they will appear in your timeline. To adjust the length of a video clip, drag the edges of the clip to shorten or extend it. If you need to cut a clip at a specific point, move the playhead to the location where you want to cut, click on the three dots on the clip, and select Split. This will separate the clip into two parts. If you want to delete a part of the video, click on the three dots on that specific part and select Delete Scene. If the aspect ratio of your video doesn't match the project settings, you can adjust the size of the video by dragging the corners until it fits the canvas properly. To hide the timeline and get a better view of your video, click on this small arrow at the corner. You can adjust the size of the new clip by dragging its corners. To add a transition between clips, click on Edit Timeline and then click on the plus icon between two clips. Select Add Transition and a list of transition options will appear on the left side of the screen. After selecting the transition, it will automatically apply between the two clips. If you want to add text to your video, click on Add, then select Text. You can choose from different text layouts and styles. You can also add elements like shapes, icons, and stickers by clicking on the Elements option on the left side of the screen. After selecting an element, drag it into the video and adjust its size and position as needed. You can use all these tools to effectively edit your videos, allowing you to create polished and professional results. And that's how you can edit videos in Adobe Express.